Bro, at least this active, bro. I'm gonna reconnect it again. I think we have about 15 seconds delay. Hopefully better now. Now see my screen, by the way. Oh, maybe I'll forget to get a pen. Oh, I just use stream without it. Get that back tomorrow. But me even I'll spend time and fill out a journal. All I trade them when they miss chat. Fill that out. Yeah, them that I trade. When me did I miss out, I just watch back a stream and fill out a journal. But yeah, everything fill out now. What you mean? We have news there, bro. So we have news at 8:30. Last time I checked, we never have no news. We have news 10:30. Yellow folder. So yeah. I'm not really watch that still, cause a yellow folder that too serious. But chat, me run analysis earlier in the morning too. Me I pre like 44, 46 levels. No. But I expect price will push up towards like 93 check. That's what I'm still expecting, by the way. Once the price top 93, 44, 93, and then give us like a closure back below 72. Something like this. Like if this can go like manage to flip bullish, print a high, push down towards 46, top 46. I'm expecting this candle to push up chat like towards 44.97. So once we top 44.97, and then once we start to get some rejection, any closure back below, I would say any closure below 72, 44.72, we could look for sales going down. Once we get like some retest, another top week, could look for sales going down towards like 61. As we have a level right here at 61. Yeah. So that would have been like the idea of them for the sales chart. You see me, basically a range fill. You see me, and for the buys them, basically the same thing. If I go look for buys, see la. Bro, man press the wrong thing. Yeah. So that would have been the idea for your sales and for your buys them. we could look for buys going up, chat, since we already top like 46. Cause 46 is like, I was expecting price to push up first towards like 97, and then we reject, or even 93. This level would be decent as well, but price never did that. Price pushed down first, as I can see. We pop straight down on the 15-minute time frame. We tap 96. I'm not expecting a breakout, chat, cause in order for price break and continue down, cause clearly we're bearish even on the daily candle, but in order for price continue down, we need liquidity, and we don't have enough liquidity. Yeah, we don't have enough liquidity, so I'm not expecting a breakout, or even if price breakout, I won't be taking sells. Yeah, I'm expecting like a break at the highs first, and then a closure back into the range. Anything back below like 40, 44, 72, after we top 93, yeah, then I will look for sells going down. But for right now, I think we're going to need liquidity, chat, even if price going to like push down. So yeah, we don't have no news today. If we have news, that would be good, but let me see for tomorrow, by the way. Tomorrow, Thursday, Tuesday. Yeah, FOMC meeting. That's at 2. I might stream at 2 tomorrow, chat, at 2 p.m. Might stream this FOMC ending of the month. Yeah, chat, you might see me go live spark a stream at 2 tomorrow. But yeah, chat, hopefully I understand the idea. So basically, first of all, the volume kinda dead. We'll wait until the volume pick up. Yeah, we're gonna need to wait until the volume pick up, and for the ideas them, like if we're gonna look for sales, well, we're not looking for sales because we need liquidity. Yeah, we need liquidity. We already top 44, 46. Price can definitely still push down and close below the range, but if price do that, I won't be in, because that would be like a push without liquidity. In order for me to take sales, chat, I just need to see a break at the highs, and we could take buys as well, but price would have to break the lows and close back into the range, and then we could take buys go up towards 93, because remember we're expecting 93 to get tapped, then price reject, something like this. We're expecting 44 and 93. After we tap this level, I would expect price close back into the range. Yeah. So we could look for buys going up towards 93, but we'd need like price break the lows first. Break the lows and close back into the range. Something like this. We already pushed down, print a low, price reject. I wanna see something like this, chat, price push down and re-break even like this low we have at 46. So once price re-break that, and if we might should get like a closure back into the range, we could look for buys. We could look for buys above 53, or even above 55, 44, 55.98. Yeah, the price close back above this level, retest, we could look for buys going up towards the range fill. Well, talk, bro. But yeah, we have a level right here, chat. At 65. Let me see the range going up. That's like a 50 pip range, 44. Yeah. So I just wait for that, chat. Like a rebreak of the lows, closure back into the range. or a rebreak at the highs. No, not a rebreak at the highs. Once the price top 93. And after we tap 93, then we get a closure back into the range. I still have to rebreak the highs anyways, I guess. But chat, that's the idea for both buys and sells. No, just play the waiting game. Once we rebreak the lows, I expect the volume to pick up though. I don't even know, bro. Let me see. We got 4 minutes until we close. So chat, as we say, once price rebreak the lows, you would expect like volume. Waiting for price to rebreak the lows and close back into the range, we could look for buys going up. Cause I would expect liquidity. We need liquidity. Or something like this though. Let me see if we can mark it up. Now volume start to pick up. I have 42. We have the rebreak and lows at 34. Closure back into the range. Let me see the range going up. $40. Alright, let me just get some levels mark up real quick. But we're almost there though. Alright. It's a price we just re-break the lows. So chat now that price re-break the lows, we'll go wait and see if we can get a closure back into the range. If that will happen, then the buys going up would be decent. For the sales them chat, like in order for me to take sales, I also need to see like this candle would have to like print structure. And we haven't really print any structure on the way down, price just pushing down. Would I need like top wicks, lower highs, and we yeah, it's just one candle pushing straight down, this 5-minute candle. So that basically means we can like we'd have to wait until like other 5-minute candle open up, print top wick and reject. 15-minute candle above for close though. Look like we're gonna get a closure below the range. Once this 15 close below the range, you would expect a next top wick. You would expect a top wick off the next 15-minute candle chat. We could push up towards, let me see, we have rejection at 32. Could put a level at 32. See la. So we could tap 32 and reject chat, and we could even break past that, but and this could even be a fake out as well, because remember after like consolidation chart you usually have a manipulation. This could easily be a fake out, and this 15-minute candle close bullish back into the range. But we're gonna wait and see what happens though. But yeah, this 15-minute candle open up or push down first. Yeah, try even if we're gonna take sales as I said before, we're gonna need lower highs. We're gonna need top wicks. No real like structure on the way down, price just pushing down. So we're gonna avoid that. Me even know how much of them. But as me last I chat, me even fix the journal, bro. Edit everything. It's all the trades we take. Like I think me they update there. So me never update them on the stream. I just like go up on my channel and watch over a stream and then update everything. But it's the journal chat. Will it update? Journal. Even 9 o'clock it. Man, try to get him off a charge, bro. Man. Bro, I don't know make this now work, dog. It's 5 minute candle close bearish below. Let me measure this. So look like I want a 50 pip candle. 126. Oh, 1 5 minute candle, bro. 100 odd pips. Range them massive today. But we'll still have to wait, chat. Like as I said before, we don't have any top wick, we don't have any real structure on the way down. So that's the reason why I'm not hopping into sales. In order for me to take sales, would I need like structure, like a lot of lower highs. And we don't really have like any we don't have any structure on the way down. So I'm just gonna stay out. And that's not the only reason. I was just expecting liquidity. Even if price going to push down, I'm expecting liquidity, like some pullback. Once price pull back, then close back below a certain level, then I would look for sales. But not right now. Gold just pushing down, but like no real like structure on the way down, so I'm just like to stay away from that shit. Let's need a charge again. Ooh, them. Although we're not on the news, volume pick up still, I'm not gonna lie. This it's 30-minute candle about like wow. I measure this. Try and measure this. That's all. 38 seal. This 86. About 86. 436. Hold on, this still not charge? I'm joking. I try this charge all I know, bro. $448 pips. That's the whole entire move. I'm not telling like gold super volatile today. Just look at the daily candle, bro. When I see this daily candle, I'm like, no way. This daily candle just move fast. Gold ranges, bro. Ranges and just massive. That's the reason why. 1 5 minute candle push 100 pips. 120. We really have room to the left. Child, we got 5 minutes until this 15 close. 5 minute candle close below, but let me see if we have nothing. Yeah, rejection. And so we tap 06. We expect some rejection. What's the range going up? 70. So chat, basically chat, we can wait until price top 06, which will basically top just now. We can wait for this price top 06. After we get like this level top, you would expect some rejection. Price was able to reject from 44.19 in the past. So if this like, if I go back to like current price, how would I, if I go to like current price chat, yeah, the price top 06, right? If this candle can flip bullish and push up, re-break the previous candle highs, the previous 5 minute candle highs, and then close back below the range, now we could look for sales going down, chat. But this can't go underneath of the top 06, which are already top. Flip bullish, re-break the previous candle highs, top 44.20.32. Once we tap this level, if the candle manage to reject, flip back bearish and close below 06, we could look for sales below 06 going down. If that for happen. But chat, we're gonna still need rejection, lower highs, liquidity anyways. We need structure, bro. Cause structure necessary in a chat. You see, whenever price push down without structure, it's easy for push back up because we have no structure on the way down. So that's what I'm like trying to like avoid. Even whenever I'm taking sales, we must have like structure in whatever direction I'm looking to take a position, whether it's buys or sells. Alright, so we tap, we flip bullish. Can we re-break the highs? You have to hold this feature. instead of that. Just I realized that we're breaking. So chat, we even break 44.20. What you mean take a break? And a break time. I'm gonna take a break. I'ma just start. Yeah, we are gonna close now by the way, and we'll close respecting. Wow. Push straight down first. What's the range going up on this candle flip? That's like 40 pip range right there. Let me put this right here, so let me see. This candle close respecting to on the flip. It's at 25. And we're already top 06. So chat, I'm looking for buys on this 15-minute candle flip. That's also the 30-minute candle flip as well, but we're gonna need a low. If we can print another low and this candle reject, flip bullish, buys above would have been decent, going up towards like 25. Buys above 44.21. Yeah, going up towards 25. 44.25. But this candle print a low will start push down. Good thing is chat, this at a higher time frame, so we're gonna wait and see. As this, even the hourly, that was the hourly closure as well. Rebreak the previous candle low, so let's see if we can get some rejection now, or if price gonna close below the range. But this hourly candle can still flip bullish, chat. This hourly candle can still flip bullish. And no real structure, still don't have real structure on the way down. Wait. Gold just a melt, bro. It's like no top wick at all. It's like the only rejection we get. I was thinking about chat this 5-minute candle closure below, cause remember earlier we wanted this candle, this bullish candle, we wanted this candle to re-break its highs, the previous candle high, top 20, and then reject and close below. That was the idea, and would have take sells. But no, we basically top, we print a fake out above 44.20. Next candle push all the way down. So if we should get a closure below 06 chat, 44.06, as what I said earlier, the sales going down would be decent. But this is the reason why I won't take sales, because we have like a closure chat, the hourly time frame close, and this hourly candle got no top wick. So me taking sales below, it's just kind of risky. Like it's like 50-50, because this hourly candle can still flip bullish because we have no top wick. So I'm just going to like avoid that chat. If this candle close below the range, next candle print a top wick, I'm going to stay out. would I just look for text cells below another level. Still got range on the way down, like below like 99 or below 92. We're closing our 50 seconds. 1 minute candle printer high, yeah. Close below printer top wick and then flip back bearish. Yeah, that makes sense. We got 30 seconds left. This candle close. 15 out of 10 minutes. Nice. So chat, don't feel FOMO, bro. We are gonna basically like sit out of this one. Look like we're both get a closure below the range. If this can go close below the range, you would expect the next candle for continue down. You see me? So yeah, no FOMO, because this candle might pop. But the reason why I'm not taking any sales right here, chat, is because of this hourly candle, bro. This hourly candle can still reject. And even if it's not going to reject, I need to see closures below the range. We haven't had any closure, only this 5-minute candle, yeah. This 5-minute candle is the first closure we get below. Hourly candle open up right here. So chat, like, we have to give this candle a chance to reject. You see, if something like this happens, see if we push down on the hourly time frame, this new candle open up and we'll start to push up. We basically have to give it a chance to like reject. You have to give it give it a chance to print a fake out. But if we fail to print a fake out, we fail to close back above the range and price print a high, and with something like this, close back into the range, flip back bearish, print a low. After we print a low, price print a high, and then re-break its lows. Then we could even look for sells on the re-break of the lows. Could look for sales for continue down chat, but this is the main thing though. We need like highs, we need like structure on the way down before we look for enter. But yeah, I'm gonna see this top wick will print on this 5. So print a high 03, 4403, then we'll flip bearish, print a low. Yeah, chat, this as I'm say, chat, no FOMO, chat. We just had to stay out of this, whether it play out or not, cause it's just like 50-50, bro. Because of the higher time frame, don't have any structure and the way down. But we're pushing down towards wait, we break 92, bro. Goal and move fast. We already break 92, bro. Price I move fast. Alright, chat. Let me just get some new levels and just adjust. Let me just make some adjustment real quick. See ya. 20 left. Alright, we have a level at 79. It's like a support. What's the range going down? And the rebreak of the lows, this is our 70 pip going down. Rebreak of the lows. Still need top wick, chat. Like, even if my tech sells, still need to see top wicks, bro. I mean, I need to see a steeper high this time. Like, before my tech sells below 86, we need to see like 99 get top. 43.99. Let me see if we top on the smaller time frame. Nah, it's 5 minutes now. We're not top that level yet. We're almost there though. Yeah, this level can get top. Price close back below the range. We could look for sales below like 85. Yeah, but we need a steeper high than this. This could be enough, chat, but I won't be entering any cells. See lah, just like for like 30 pips away. We could like get another high on the next 5-minute candle. If this 5-minute candle close, next 5-minute candle would open up and print another top wick. So we could wait for that. Let me make sure, by the way. I don't know. You're not killer, you're God. Alright, good this so 98. I couldn't do anything happening. Oh, we are re-break again. No, next 5-minute candle. This one I talk about chat. Like the next 5-minute candle, once we close below, we're going to need a top wick on this candle. So now you see it, now you have a better understanding. So now that we print a top wick, if this candle might should flip, close below 86, so we could look for sells below 86. Yeah, was expecting a high. I will say. Would I need a closure below now, do a chat? No weak entry sells. We have to give price a chance to close back into the range. But if we don't close, if we fail to close back into the range and this can go flip bearish, close below like 85, then that would have been decent. Just wait for another minute up wick and like the minute time frame, and would I look for get some sells going down. Yeah, 82 could be risk free. We could go break even at 82 levels. 43, 82. Nice top week. My level was kinda off by like 3 pips. 6 pips actually. But yeah, this decent still, chat. This still decent. And we barely have room left. I said this right, I said it would be decent. Right, that's all, yeah. But chat, yeah, nice top week. Can go flip bearish and we'll start to push down. But the next thing or the next step, we need to see a closure below. Closure below 86. So yeah, let's see if this is enough to actually close this candle below 86. Okay, we're re-breaking the highs. That good still. That's okay, that's okay. I need a steep. See la. I can't even talk straight. Look like this 15-minute candle about to close bearish respecting chat. This 5-minute candle close bullish back into the range. That's gonna lead to the 15 closing bearish respecting. And if the 15 close bearish respecting, we're going to need, like, you see, if we close bearish respecting and the candle open up and we push down first, we could look for some weekend buys chat, because you would expect at some point the next 15-minute candle should be able to flip bullish and print a top wick. Since we also close bearish respecting, we would never close bearish below. And if we push up first, print a high, we just stay out tight. That's where the buys would have been decent chat. Let me see how we close though. We got what, 10 seconds? Right now we're below. I wanna see like a closure above 99. So we close below chat. I would say this 15-minute candle, is a bearish closure below. Could still play out, but this candle, in order for me to take buys chat, this candle would have to like push down first, like before we print a high. Push down to at least 91. At least 91. And put a level. I'm gonna adjust this. 43.91. This the candle flip. Say a chat. If I'm gonna take buys, what I need to say this candle push down, flip bearish, stop 91. And then flip back bullish. We could put buy stop on the candle flip. This would be the range fill, 44.11. And yeah, could look for a break even at 44.05. But would I need a bottom wick at 43.91 before we look for that. I gotta play a game. And I live like baller. Leon Bailey. It's just a 15-minute top weight. I measure the range going up. From the rebreak at the highest, still have a 55 pip range going up. Bro, the range is crazy, dog. Like, the ranges are like super massive. More price print, the more I just get new ideas. But chat, look, you see this 15? See we print a high at 06, right? See, we push up and we tap 06, print a high. Now the candle start for reject. We have 2 minutes left, chat. You see if this candle reject, flip bearish, rebreak its lows, and after we rebreak its lows, for whatever reason, if this candle manage to push back up and rebreak its highs, the buy is going up from above 06, going up towards 10, 44, 10 would have been decent. That's a 55 pip range going up. So basically, this is what I'm trying to say. Like, this can go open up, we print a low, we push up towards 06, and then we reject. So this the candle flip right here. I'm saying if this candle flip bearish, rebreak its lows, and then push back up, rebreak its highs, we could look for buys on the rebreak of the highs, going up towards 44.10. And that's a 55 pip range going up, chat. So yeah, but this can go down for flip, rebreak its lows, and then if we flip back bullish, rebreak its highs, that would have been decent. Hopefully I understand that. From the rebreak of the highs, yeah. Alright, there we go. Now we rebreak the lows, chat good. So if this can go flip back bullish and we push up, we could look to put buy stop on the rebreak of the highs. If this can go manage to push back up. As we should push down, right? Since we print a top wick, it should be able to push down. But for whatever reason, if this is not enough, then you would expect a steeper high. So yeah. I'm gonna get another line. What am I gonna like when I'm hungry before? Yeah, I feel like it when you're hungry for sure. Yeah, chat. So yeah, once this can go rebreak its highs, I'll look to I'll look for buyers above 44.05. Once price stop 44.08, this would be a risk-free trade at this level right here. And I look to close full at 44.10. Yeah, I'm just waiting to see since this can go rebreak its lows, we print a new low. We have 9 minutes left. This can go still, like, we can flip bullish in 9 minutes. That's possible. So I'm just waiting, chat. Like, let's see if this can go into flip bullish and rebreak its highs, close above the range. Bro, I even know my thing always a pause. Jano. Alright, so what I go on. So we'll try to flip, but instead we'll rebreak its lows. Towards rebreak of the lows, that's what 37. But I need a closure below 91. Yeah. So child, just continue to play a waiting game, bro. We're almost there though. man. Feel like my chart have too much lines, chat. Like, I have to delete all these lines and just use like 3. Alright, let me remove all of these chat. Chat look too messy. Yeah. But the same idea though, chat. So we have the same idea. Just like move some lines from off the screen. No one have too much lines. But we're still looking for buys, like if price rebreak the highest, rebreak at the 15 minute candle highest, we're still looking for buys going up towards 44.10 or 44.11. This can go close below. I'm gonna see if we have, yeah, we do. Previous 15 minute candle wick fill. So that's the range we have going down. I would expect the next destination if we should get a closure below. Let me measure this. 46. Anything below 46 will be decent. I expect a top wick at 83. Solid 5 minute time frame as well, bro. Same thing at 15 I said, oh. Break at the lows right there, so. Alright. But wait, sealer. PC bug out. Up towards the rebreak of the highs, that will be decent. 40. The chat basically, instead of take buys on the rebreak of the highs, like we could even look for buys going up towards the rebreak of the highs. So we could as if you look left, since we already print a low, push down towards 87. If price managed to flip back bullish, price flip bullish at 97, 43.97. So that's why I'm put a line right here, chat. If price flip bullish, we got clean range going up towards 06. Yeah, 06, and that's the rejection level anyways. But the range going up towards 06, that's a 50 pip range going up. And I think that's the rebreak of the highs as well. So yeah, we could look for buys going up towards the rebreak of the highs instead of enter on the rebreak of the highs. But this candle would have to like close bullish or weak bearish or bearish respecting. If we close bearish below, then the buy idea out the window. Just adjust. Yes. Weak bearish. Bearish. Weak bullish, sorry. Bullish respecting. We're re-breaking the lows. Me can go close below too. Yeah, chat. We could even, let me see. This hour. Yeah. Whoa. Sorry about that. Chat, since it's 30, me can go open up and just pop down with like basically there's nothing we can do about that. But just not FOMO. Yes, me chat. Any trade I'm taking it have to be like according to plan. Have to align. Cannot just enter just because gold melting, if you understand what I'm trying to say. I make some adjustment though. Since we breeze past 91 levels, it's just a drop. 5 minute candle close weak bullish, so don't wonder why this candle just melt like this. This candle like will close weak bullish respecting, still below the range. But that's one thing, bro. I really like. I don't FOMO into no trades that's like not according to plan. Any trade I'm taking have to like align with my like analysis. Yeah. I real life watch gold drop like 500 pips without enter. Cause everything I feel aligned, chat. Where's the way of me trade? You already know me trade, man. My trading style. We cannot take no B plus setup, chat, or no freaking B setup. Anything I take have to be like A plus. And I cannot FOMO. I just have to watch price melt. Since I don't have any entry confirmation. Measure this. Below, let me see. Yeah, we got a loss, dog. We came to there with a loss. Chat, we're getting close to our entry though, chat. Cause the more price move, basically the more information we get. You know, the more can go print. So we're getting closer and closer to our setup potential setup. go in on the line. 5-minute close below. Printer low. Flip bullish. Could just expect a range fill. That would have been decent. Yeah, let me see what rebreak of the lows. Rebreak of the lows, we got clean range. Is that the first? Chat, see after this can go print a high chat, on the rebreak of the lows, we got like clean range going down. So let me put that right there. Put this right yeah, so put this right yeah, so on the rebreak of the highs. Yeah. The rebreak of this 5-minute can go low chat like decent, bro. Got like clean range going down. Going down towards 40. We got clean range going down towards 74. Yeah. From below 77 go down towards 74. Could go risk free, that would be like 25 pips. And we could close full at like 71. That would be like 40 pip range. Yeah. This would have been risk free right here at 73. But this 5-minute candle would have to like rebreak its lows. We got 3 minutes. Could play some sell stop chat. When this candle start for reject, we could play some sell stop at 4376.42. 2 minutes left. Let me see what the 15 look like before I play sell stop. 7 minutes. And the rebreak of the lows is clean range anyways. So yeah. Alright chat, I play sell stop on the rebreak of this 5-minute candle lows chat. I got sell stop on the rebreak of the lows. Let me give the exact level. I got sell stop at 4376.80. Basically the rebreak of the 5-minute candle lows. And we're going to delete sell stop in 2 minutes chat. If this candle don't rebreak its lows, we delete sell stop. Alright, almost got activated. See you later. I'm sick in the dog. So chat, once this candle rebreak its lows chat, we activated. Alright, just got activated in sales just now. Let me see. What price I do? Broke a lag, bro. Broke a lag, afraid. Chat. Yeah, so we got activated in sales. I'm expecting a range fill. This is now a risk-free trade chat because we already tapped. We just tapped 74. So stop loss to break even. Minimum. No more risks. I'm gonna go risk free real quick. Modify. Alright chat, so I'm now risk free. Closing full right there. See la. Chat, I freaking like, bro, this trade hit break even. I close full and this can go will reject before the broker even close the position. But this trade hit break even chat. Shit. This trade hit break even before the broker even closed. But this was a good trade though. I think we peak like 33 pips. But yeah, risk-free trade chat. Let me put that in a journal before I look for anything else. What time? 12:29. No, that I did, bro. Me a laps. 9:40. What time we took this trade? We got activated on the rebreak of the 5-minute candle lows. Yeah. So it's at 9:35. Yeah. So I'm just journal that chat before I do anything else. Nah. Hold on. I'll just put this in my journal fast and quick. Our time. 9:40. Hold on. Let me switch my account real quick. Alright. Yeah, how much? 29? I'm just freaking like try to drag this. Boom. 29. Easy as that. We take this 9:35, right? 9:35. Caps lock on. Foot a cramp up. But yeah, we took that 9:35. That was roll. It was a sell. It was a rebreak of the lows. That's a breakout as well on the 5-minute time frame. That was a break-even trade. Yeah. This our seal of pips. Yeah. We basically caught 10 pips chat. But that's basically a break-even anyways. Yeah, I'm not gonna count like 10. We caught like 10 or 9 pips when price hit break-even. But just put 0 anyways, cause that don't really count. And max drawdown, this trade never really have drawdown. Chat, as soon as we rebreak the lows, price start glitching. Price just start glitch, bro. This our pineapple. We never had any pineapple either. Yeah, it's big. I would say today hella bearish, bro. Today so bearish. Today super bearish. Not 1 ounce of bullishness not today. Alright, so yeah, that's the journal chat. So let me see if we can get any other trade for the day. Or if not, we just call it a break-even day and come back tomorrow. But the day is still early though, so let me see. Let me get some new levels markup chat. Get some new levels. Boom, put this at 58. It's 100 pip range. Or the buy is at freaking 40. That me really a pre. Buys at 30. Buys at 40, 43, 41. Yeah. 300 boom. Yo, goal ranges are just massive, bro. I swear. Okay, I wait for some reaction right there. Goal ranges, bro. Chat, just this small range right here. This range alone is freaking 300 pips, bro. Just this range alone. But buys at 40 would have been bad. but stop loss would have been what? It's our 310. Nah, I'm not doing that. So we have 15, 230. Chat, you see, whenever goal ranges like whenever the ranges are like huge, it's like you make more pips, but you also lose more pips. Like, bro, that small range is freaking 300 pips. That not really normal. I guess that's why my stop loss increased, chat, cause in a 2024, I was using 160 pip stop loss. Nah, yeah, it was 160 or it was 100. And 2025, my stop loss increase. Now my average chat with stop loss is like, sometimes with stop loss is 160, but the max like stop loss me use are like 250. I'm okay with risking 250 pips on a trade. And we did it before on stream. That's like the max risk. But in 2024, 160 pips was the max. But I just had to increase my stop loss because the goal ranges aren't the same. Goal ranges are no huge, so that's why your stop loss have to become huge as well. Because the ranges them different, chat. For example, if you want to put your stops, if you trade with a good risk to reward ratio, back in the days, bro, this would be like 10 pips. Back in the days, this would be like 10 pips, chat. Now these are like probably like 50 pips. No, see, chat, this is exactly what I'm talking about, bro. This small range is 260 pips. It's just this small range. Back in the days, this used to be like 10 pips, 15 pips. But if you're gonna take this trade, you'd have to have a 260 pips stop loss. Just this small range. So that's why I said my stop loss increased. Not because I wanted to increase it or I wanted to risk more. It's just because goal ranges aren't the same. Ranges are way more massive than before. And when I know if I'm going to increase it again, probably I'm going to increase it because I realize like you need at least a 300 pip stop loss. But I'm not sure though, chat. Probably not. It depends on if like the chart force me to increase. Let me see. I'm gonna go back to 2024. I'm gonna say some. Yeah. This was January 17, 2024. See that chat? This was 160 pips right here. 160. This was basically the max risk that I was using. Yeah. And now in 2025, bro, this was the biggest L ever, bro. 430 pips. This was the biggest L ever, chat, in my whole entire trading journey. 420 in one trade. Yeah, bro, I swear. But we're still up though. Everything's still good. Cause we're like super consistent with it. So if when I took a big L, like the consistency chat is like outweighs that. Cause as I can see, we're still up like 170. Last week was a good week. 92. We're still up overall. And bear in mind, this is just this journal alone. It's just all these trade. We also have the other journals where we did up on as well. More create like one journal with every single trade in it, and it calculate everything like trades from 2024 and everything. Does this journal only calculate the recent trades chart from October 27th till now December 29th. So we're still up, but this was the biggest L ever, bro. Like, I never lose 430 pips before. It was a long time ago, though, chat. We already got over it. But me never me always remember that day there, bro. My biggest loss was on stream in my whole trading career. Think me have a pineapple on that trade there too, you know, and that's why we had like pineapple entries. But chat, for anybody who don't understand how me like, wait, I'm gonna say some. Hold on, I'm focus, bro. Let me focus. I will close. This can go basically ranging though. We got 8 minutes and this can go just spend like half of the can go just not doing anything. Ranges massive though. If though just a range, the range is 120 pip. That's not even the range for real. What I said this. This is the range. 300. But yeah, when me like I said, chat, for anybody who don't understand the journal, basically like up top is everything that I keep track of. So this date, this time, session, pair, buy or sell, entry type, setup type, time frame, whether I win or lose the trade, how much pips I win or how much pips I lose. I calculate max drawdown. This is something like I implement recently. I never used to calculate this, but yeah, this just basically max drawdown. Whenever I enter trade, if the trade going drawdown, I keep track of that. Pineapple daily bias total. This is the weekly total though, and this right here is the monthly total. Yeah, check. So that's basically it. Easy if you understand. Them can't taste. Them nobody know. Goal just arrange now. Boss of the foot general. War them off for war, me tell them hurry up. They even know how that. Can't taste. Bro, it require a lot of discipline for basically watch price drop without like FOMO in a chat. most people would have been like take a bullshit trade when according to plan. But bro, it's because like see the way I'm a trade, I can't really like there's barely like room for error. Barely. As I trade with a negative risk reward, bro, I cannot just take a bullshit trade. I'm going to like down 1 week worth of profit if I take a bullshit trade. So yeah, I can definitely recover that, but it's basically like no real, not much room for error, bro. If you fuck up once, you fuck up everything. Or not everything, but at least 1 week of profit. So that's why every day I come to the charts, I try to make sure I follow the plan, bro. If I lose and the trade was according to plan, then that's fair. But I cannot afford to take a trade that I should have taken in the first place, cause if I lose that trade, and I know I shouldn't be in that trade, that gonna be rough. So that's why I make sure like everything according to plan, chat. After like follow the plan. And you know me, I go like I share my strategy, like I do a full breakdown of my strategy chat, like a whole entire breakdown. I think me have like a four step. Yeah. Well, it's structure basically 4 steps, but we have like 18 like bullet points, but it's in like a 4-step structure though. I think we can even pull it up. Let me try and pull it up on stream. Sure know what I talk about. I think my mentor did upload it. Line chat, man, I'm sure know what I'm talking about. It's the playbook. I have to add my email, bro. Oh yeah, my playbook 2 chat V2. This is basically my entire strategy. Unit from unit 1 to unit 4. Yeah, and within them, you have like a lot of like key parts to it. So yeah, you can just click on like, for example, like you click on unit 1, trade like DVS. First step is planning. That's basically what I do every morning, chat. That's the first step, planning. So you click on unit 1 planning. It basically show you everything, how we plan and candles, and you feel me. No one go through all of this because I don't have the time, and I already went through it. So I'm just showing this to you guys. If like you don't understand my strategy, this is my whole entire strategy right here. You can just search it up and go through it, or you can just use AI, because there's a lot of information to unpack. So just use AI, bro, and make AI like unpack it for you. You save a lot of time. Like just type in this and tell AI to break down this for you. Like tell them send AI to the website and they'll break it down. Save a lot of time and you get a better understanding by a chat. And you get like, these are just planning, you know, back to basics. And we have some advanced concepts like reading candle backwards. This is what I'm still learning, chat. How to read candle backwards, re-engineer candles. This freaking complex, bro. But it's necessary though. When you can read the candles backwards, it's like you have a better understanding. You can basically look at the 30-minute time frame and tell what's going on the 5-minute. You can basically draw out exactly how the 5-minute time frame look right now. when you're able to like re-engineer the candles, like read them backwards. There's like a lot of information chat. Market cycle. I already understand liquidity, entries and liquidity. But yeah, this is one of the things I'm working on. Reading candle backwards, market structure, drive range liquidity. We all know that. Some people call it consolidation, manipulation, and continuation. Execution, understanding time frame, marking key level, planning for opportunities. So chat, yeah, you can just basically unpack everything, devious setups. Yeah, I get a better understanding of how much trade. And may I build a video around it. May I build a YouTube video around it though. Cause that right there is basically my entire strategy. But chat, let me see. Remember we said we're looking for buys. This hour 1:30. Hold on, let me see chat. Range going down. I just see range going down, dog. That's like 300 pips. Can't afford a 300 pips stop loss, bro. Some dog all it out on inside. Bro, if it get too late and we get no other trades, we're gonna just call it a break-even day, bro. Nothing wrong with a break-even day. But I'm looking for weekend trip buys though, chat. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for weekend trip buys. Oh. It's it. We are murder somebody for your egg. You don't know against 30 of them. It's 28. That will be for better. Chat, I'm looking for weekend trip buys at 26. Yeah. 26 would have been decent for weekend trip buys. Stop loss would have be at on the break of the lows at 43.03. So something like this. Stop loss one if price break all of these lows, would have put stops below like 43.06, below these lows. Weekend trip buys would have be at right, yes sir. Right, yes sir. Yeah. Me alone against 30 of them. And I like y'all take off of the roof till the bend 26. Everybody I got dead. You 16 was him at 100 people range that going up, you know? I shoot out like bro, man. 6 body feed right total. Bro, watch it for yourself. Get this far. Yeah. XMD. So chat, chat. I'm looking for weekend trip buys at 26. Chat. If this candle can push down towards 43.26, I will look to market execute buys at this level. Yeah. And I'll look to close full once price top 33 43.33, because that's a 70 pip range going up. Yeah. So yeah, and we could be risk free. Look, 33 will close full. Looking for buys once price top 26. 43.30 would be break even. So there it is. Yeah. So see that chat. 26. I would look to market execute buys at 26. If price push up and we top 43.30, this would be a break even trade. And if we fill the range, I'll look to close full at 33 levels. So that's the buy idea that I have. So let's see if we can tap that level. And yeah, we'll see. So what do you say, but I know I cover you at tech. We're almost there. Hopefully this no glitch, bro. 26, right? Feel. Chat, I'm getting ready to market execute buys once we tap this level. We're almost there whenever completely tap. Almost there, chat. Let me see. This hour. Sometimes this shit even glitch. Everybody I got it. Chat, look like that is it, chat. We came close. That's what it looked like. Let me see. Came like 18 pips away. That weekend should buy would have been decent though. Would have been out by now. That weekend should buy would have been clean. We should just came like 15 pips actually. 15 pips away. That would have been clean, bro. That would have been so clean. GG's though. Miss it by 15 pips. Star shot. Who's that murder? We do well and now we know all loose mates. Try you see me keep on a look left chat cause me I try like to use historical data to see what price did in the past. That's why you see me keep on looking left. Every single time. Put a high right, yes sir. Yes sir. Look a rejection. Yeah. So at 37. 43, 37. It shows you about to push down. After we print a high. So chat, it's just a sales chat. It's like we can still attempt sales again. But before we do that, this 15-minute candle that need to close below. And we got 2 minutes. So if we can manage to close below 43, 34, next 15-minute candle open and push up, print a top wick. We could put sell stop on the 15-minute candle flip. Because if that 15 flip, you would expect a range fill. And we have this wick fill to our advantage. Yup. We would have that in our advantage. But we got 2 minutes and we don't need a closure below on the 15. I'll try. Give me like 2 seconds. I'm gonna be back. me see. Almost level clock, you know. We have 10 minutes until the 15 close. Bro, hold on, chat. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna do something. Oh boy. Tired of them people at all, I swear, bro. People are stressing, bro. Can't even focus. People at all. Bumbo clock. Look there. Now I miss my entry, bro. Tired dog. Chat. But you wouldn't even know. You can't even focus, dog, because of them people, bro. Fucking, bro. I'm gonna delete all of them that try to see if I can get some new levels. Basically, I already top 03 though. 03 was like a key level. Because that's what we basically get all these rejection from. Our 4310. So you go, bro. Let's get some new levels and see what can go on. Clock, dog. You know, actually, I don't even know, dog. Chat in the next 30 minutes or so, I just call it a break even day, bro. If we don't get nothing else. Because we took a trade earlier and we hit break even. Yeah, so it's like once level o'clock forward, I'm gonna just call it a stream if we get nothing. Everything just mash up. Just can't stand some people, bro. Alright, try to change just some things. Alright, I'll move that. This up. Move that too. This side. No, wrong one. Away again? Alright, so. We have about 1 minute until that close. Still nothing yet. So chat, we could look for some weak entry of the next 5-minute candle. If we open up and just push down first, some weak entry would have been decent. But we'd have to push straight down towards 23, 44, 23. You know, basically already fill the range. Yeah. Alright. Let me see. Yeah, we'll fill the range. Alright, open up, we'll pop straight down. So chat, look. I wanna see this candle push down towards, like, if we push down towards 23 and then flip bullish, we could still look for buys above once the candle flip. But yeah, I wanted to see like a steeper low than this. I guess that's it. But yeah, I was just expecting a steeper low than this, like 23, 43, 23. But we have 43, 25 and flip bullish, fill the range. GG's. It is what it is. At least we're good. Look like today gonna be a break even day, chat. I'm gonna sure it. I'm gonna even call it too early still. So I can make sure. Rejection all the way back down. Anything below 23. So chat, the buyers already play out, chat, if you ask me. The buyers already play out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait until price tap 38, 43, 38.05. So whenever price tap this level, in the past price was able to tap 38 and reject and fill the range. So if we can match with top 38, once price close below 23 or 24, 44, no not 44, 43, 24 chat, we could look for sales below this level. Go down towards the range fill. Let me measure this. That's like a 70 pip range. It's our 40. It's a 42. Let me see. But yeah, chat. We could look for sales, chat, since we already fill the range. The buy is going up already, like play out. 5-minute candle flip. This candle about to close below in a minute. Alright, gonna diff. Bear rejection. Reject, push up, re-break highs. Makes sense. We have 5 minutes until it's closed though. So yeah, chat, any closure below would that be decent, bro. And also you see if this 50 can go close below 28, we could look for sales on the next 15. If we get a closure below 28, below this yellow line, if we close below, sales idea still valid. But if we close above, we could get some more buys. If we close above 28, we could get some more buys. Go up towards the wick fill. Yeah. Oh. Even this 5 chat, we close what bearish respecting, we print a top wick first. If we look for sales on this 5-minute candle, that would be decent. Because the next 15 we expect some rejection anyways of the next 15. Price action look decent. 5-minute candle already flip. I always say try to give 3 minutes. As I'm gonna say any closures respecting 43.28 still got sells and still good. Sells and still good for continue done after top week. I'm telling you. Just two. Just two candle. Just I realized that insane. So why good for weight on closures chat? This 15-minute candle re-break its highs in the last like 2 minutes. Good thing we wait for a closure. Swear. Stop or reject. Alright, guys, so we're above a close bullish above. Yeah, above 28. So you expect chat once the next candle print like a bottom wick. If it can go open or push down first, we could look for some wick entry buys. Yeah, or we could just wait and take buys on like the candle flip. So that's a new 15-minute candle opening. Before we take buys, chat would need to see this candle print a low. Would need a low first. If it just if it pops straight up till the range without print a low, then GG's. Once this candle print a high though, if we should rebreak the previous candle high and close below, we could look for sales going down towards 22. Yup. Sales going down towards 22 would be decent. If we print a high first. Alright, nice. I'm gonna adjust this chart towards the candle flip, because sales on this 15-minute candle flip would have been decent if you ask me. Wait, I'm gonna go back. 28. Oh, Houston, I don't close cash. Now swing my way, bro. Pretty sure, for sure. Alright, 41. And chat my choice is some. I think we did have a low at 03. Let's literally break out the range. Yeah. 3. Easy fill too. So chat, I'm looking for sales, chat. I'm looking for sales, but I need a closure below and a retest. We got like 5 seconds. I'm gonna need like a top wick all the way up towards like 31, chat. I will look to market execute sales if we can push up towards 30. Yeah, 43, 30. Or even 31. That would be good. Let's see, bro. Let me try. What? You said there 1 minute. Oh. Mm-hmm. Still I look for sales, chat. I just wait until like this candle close. Like we need a closure below. Since we already print a high just now, we close bullish. Might wait until this candle close below. If we can close below, another top wick, and then we'll look for sales. Let's see. Yes, we get a closure below and like the minute frame. Nice top wick, chat. So I'm gonna put sell stop, chat, and the candle flip. This 5-minute candle flip. If this candle flip, chat, yeah, if this candle flip, I will be activated in sales. So I got sell stop at 43.28.13. That's where basically a 5-minute candle flip. Let's in my chat. Modify. Volatile as hell. So chat just got activated just now. What the hell? As soon as we get activated. Alright, chat, closing full right there, chat. That's the trade. Yeah. I think this was like what? This was like 26. So chat, I'm no longer in this trade. As soon as we tap 25, I close. But if you wanna go break even and hold, you could do that. But I'm out this trade, chat. I have a level at 43.25. I was just expecting this range fill, Once the candle flip, we should be able to fill this range. 27 pips. But that's it though, chat. Let me just get this in the journal. So 2 trades, 1 break even, 1 dub. This was what, 10:51. Yeah, 10:51. This was a 5-minute candle flip, I would assume. Yeah, this is a 5-minute candle flip at 10:51. Alright, so I'm gonna journal that real quick. No, to the CMD, bro. That was NY. That was goal. I think that was a sell. Wasn't a rebreak at the lows this time. It was a flip. Back into the range. Let me see. Yeah. Price breakout and we closed back into the range and we took sells going down towards the range fill. Yeah, because this was the breakout right here. And this candle closed back into the range. Bearish back into the range. And we took sells in the range. Range get filled, yeah. So that was back into the range. That was after 5 minutes. A W. That was 26 pips. That green. What was this again? Drawdown. What was the drawdown? I didn't even think we had drawdown on this trade. I never have no drawdown. Price just popped straight down. Put that there, so see to the super bearish too as well. 26 118 now, chat. We're now up 118. For this, just this that's these 1 2 3 4 5 days. Just for this 5 days. Yeah, we took 3 trades. Well, 4 trades. 5 it's like we took 5 trades, chat. 2 break even and 3 wins. We're basically up 118 just within those 5 trades alone. 26 and this 210 overall in the journal, chat. Overall we're up like 210, but yeah, this is like the weekly total. This way I say, chat, this is the weekly total, and this over here is the monthly total. So yeah, hopefully understand the idea behind the trade though, chat. Price break out the range, we grab liquidity. Look, we clearly we not done trend. Price push down. Well, I'm gonna leave one drag so big. Let's look away. Today was like a decent day still. I'm not gonna lie. A lot of patience. And a lot of annoying people, bro. My quality was streaming peace. So yeah, we print a high. This was the breakout, chat. This price push up, we break out, and then we close back into the range, and that same 5-minute candle that print a high close back into the range. Soon as I see that, whenever price breakout, grab liquidity, close back into the range, you would expect price to continue down. But minimum, you would expect a range fill, chat. Even if price don't continue all the way down, you would expect a range fill minimum. So that's the reason why I exit right here at 43.25, because this is basically the range fill. This is the bottom of the range. We could definitely break out and continue all the way down since we print a high at 39, but I trade range to range, chat. You see me? So that's why I close full once we fill the range. So yeah, chat. Price breakout, grab liquidity, close back into the range, and we took sells going down to fill the range. See me, chat. Cause look, this will be the range. This is the bottom of the range where we exit the trade. This is the top of the range. This the 5-minute candle. This 5-minute candle right here, chat, that push up and print a high, break out the range. So print a high, pop straight up, and we close back into the range, and we take sales going down towards the range fill. We never anticipate like nothing crazy. It's just a little range fill, chat. Hopefully I understand. It's not too hard, bro. It's one of the easiest plays in the playbook. And remember, if you check out the playbook, chat, like if you don't understand like my strategy, this is basically everything, bro. DVS playbook. You can check it out. From unit 1 straight to unit 4, everything I need to know. Like first thing, like the planning, show you how to plan the trade. If you click on that, how DVS plan trades first thing in the morning. And what else? You have the basics, like the setup, DVS setup and market structure. You have some advanced concept, and you have one of them I'm still learning right now. Reading candle backwards, that's the one I'm still learning right now, chat. After this stream, I'm going to like do some like I'm going to like see how we can learn how to like re-engineer the candles, cause that's what I'm trying to work on right now, re-engineering candles. Read them backwards, cause bro, when you can read the candles backwards, it actually helps a lot. You can literally be on the hourly time frame and tell exactly what's going on the 5-minute. You know what I mean, chat? Someone implement that, and you can check out like market structure, cause this important as well, and a lot of people don't understand this structure. This is basically like, this looks similar to the trade with just tech, chat. So look, this was the range right here, and as you can see, price break out the range just like this 5-minute candle, right here, chat, that break out the range with a top wick. It's the same thing, like right here, we break out the range, and after we break out the range and we close back bearish back into the range, you expect the next candle fill the range. So this was the candle that filled the range, because this would be the bottom of the range right here. So the next candle fill the range, we continue down. So this picture is basically similar to the trade we just took just now. So yeah, chat, that is it though. 11 o'clock on the dot. I'm gonna call it a stream. W stream, chat. 1 break even and 1 win. We're just gonna leave it like that. See you guys tomorrow. You see my chat. But yeah, that is it for right now. GG's. And just drop a like on the stream on your way out. And yeah, love and respect to everybody who followed out on the stream, chat. See you tomorrow, same time, same place. That is it.